Hello everyone, I'm called the English here and I'm going to share with you the different questions and answers about the question asked on the positions of accounting, positions of director of finance and the administration, positions of financial management specialist. Now here we have different topics which are going to answer the question is related to those topics. First topic we are going to do with is asset, liability and accounting equation. The first question is on this topic is asked and started a businesses and introduced a capital of 10 million. He also obtained a loan of 60 million to purchase non-current asset. What is the value of and is opening the net asset? Now, capital plus liability is equal to asset, or capital is equal to asset minus liability. This is for net asset. Now, and this has a capital of 10 millions. Capital is equal to 10 million. Liability is equal to 6 million. Capital plus liability is equal to asset. In this case, total asset is equal to 16 million. This is a total asset. And we were asked a net asset. Net asset is equal to total asset minus liability. Which is 16 million, 16 million minus 6 million, which is equal to 10 million. The right answer is, for the question 1, is the questioning the right answer is C. Question 2. Question 2. A trader's net profit for a day may be computed by using which of the following formula? Net profit: opening plus capital, opening capital plus drawing minus capital introduced minus closing capital. No. B. Closing capital plus drawing minus capital introduced minus opening capital. Yes, this is the right answer. Here is B. Question is 3. We were asked on 23rd May 20x7, Hope used the cash to pay the rent on her business premise for the 3 months to 31st August 20x7 in advance. This is a prepaid expenses, which is an asset, non-current asset for the businesses. Now, on 23rd May, how is Hope accounting equation affected by this transaction? A, asset, we were going to see how these expenses of cash payment affect asset, liability, and capital. A, unchanged, asset will be unchanged, liability unchanged, capital unchanged. Yes, because this rent reduces a cash, which is asset. But because it is a prepayment, a prepaid expenses also is an asset. We reduce asset and increase asset, which where asset will be unchanged, and this liability and capital will be unchanged. The right answer is A. Question 4. Question 4. The profit made by a business in 20x7 was 35,400,000. This is a profit for the year. The proprietor injected new capital of 10,200,000 during the year and withdraws a monthly salaries of 500. If net asset at the end of 20x7 were 95,100,000, what was the proprietor's capital at the beginning of the year? Okay. Here, this question, let's do it. For the, let's start with capital. For our formula, opening capital is equal to opening net asset. This is what we were asked. Now, opening net asset will be obtained by taking by taking 95 million and 100 minus 39 million 39,600,000, which is equal to 55,500. Which is the Right answer is C. And okay. Question number 5. A business has net asset at 1st January and 31st December 20x9 of 75,673,800,000 respectively. During the year, the proprietor introduced the additional capital of 17.7 million and withdrew a cash and good to the value of 16.3 million. What was the profits or loss made by the business? Okay. Profit is equal to capital introduced plus drawing minus capital, where profit will be negative 1,800,000 plus 16,300,000 minus 17.7 million. And the profit will be negative 3.2 million. Which is A. Because sometimes these questions are tricky. We have A, which is 3.2 million loss, and B, which is 3.2 million profit. In our case, we have a loss, which is A. Question 6. Which of the following is a bank overdraft an example of? A bank overdraft is an example of an asset. No. A liability. Yes, is a liability. Question 7. The net asset of Cecile businesses were 16.1 million at 1st January 2023 and 27.6 million at 31st. During the year, Cecile paid personal funds of 2.95 million into the business's bank account and withdrew 1.45 million. What was the net profit for the year? Net profit for the year. Yeah, as the formula we will use capital capital carried forward minus capital brought forward minus capital used plus drawing give us net profit. Which is closing net asset. Okay. Which is equal to 27,600,000. Less opening net asset. Opening net asset, which is equal to 16,100. Raise capital introduced. Capital introduced. Which is a 2.95. Which is 2.95. And add drawing, which is a 1.45. We get net profits. When we take 27.6 minus 16.1 minus 2.95 plus 1.45, we will get 10 million, which is the right answer is D. Number 8. Capital. Which of the following statement about capital expenditure is correct? It is expenditure on non-current asset. Capital expenditure. Expenditure on non-current asset, including repair and maintenance. No. Yeah. From here, it is right. But when we include repair and maintenance, we come with revenue expenditure. It is an expenditure on repair on expensive asset. Yeah, somehow it is correct, but it is not an expensive one only. It is expenditure relating to the issue of share capital, not. It is expenditure relating to the acquisition or improvement of non-current asset. Yes, the right answer is D. Question number 9. What is the main purpose of statement of financial position? To report the asset, liability, and the capital of the businesses at a particular date. Yes. To provide evaluations of the businesses at a particular date. No. To provide information, but we have get the answer, which is A. Don't waste the time by reading unnecessary answers. Question number 10 is the last for this topic. Which of the following calculate the difference between closing capital and opening capital? Profit minus capital introduced minus drawing. No. Profit plus capital introduced plus drawing. No. Profit minus capital introduced plus drawing. No. Profit plus capital introduced minus drawing. Yes, is how calculate the closing and opening capital. Let's go on. The other chapter, which is accounting equation, accounting concept, and principles. Yeah. Question number 1. Question 1. When the owner of a business take goods from inventory for their own personal use, which of the following accounting principles should be considered? In this case is a drawing. Yeah. The accounting concept relating to the drawings is a business entity. D. Question 2. Question number 2. Items should be included in the financial statement if their omission would mislead the user of the financial statement. Which of the following accounting principles governing this? We deal with materiality. A materiality, yeah, this is the same as definitions of materiality, is when the items in the financial statement, its omission would mislead the users of the financial statement. See. Question number 3. Question number 3. A business owns a non-current asset which costs 4 million and is recorded at its carrying amount in the financial statement. Which of the following accounting principles has been applied? And we are recording owns an asset. The purpose of owning an asset in a business, we are dealing with which accounting principles is a going concern. A business cannot be last long without having an non-current asset. The right answer is A. Question 4. Question number 4. Claude has been told that cost should be taken into account in the same period as the associated revenue. Which fundamental accounting principles does this reflect? This is reflected the accrual concept, which is B. Question number 5. According to the conceptual framework, which of the following are fundamental characteristics of financial information? Yeah, according to the conceptual framework, characteristics of financial information, here we have relevancy and a faithful representation. Both are the fundamental characteristics of financial information. The right answer is A. Question number 6. What accounting principles state that for accounting purpose, a business is separate from its owner? Which accounting principles state that for accounting purposes, the business is separate from its owner? Here we deal with a business entity. See. Question number 7. A number of users will broadly agree that faithful representation has been achieved. Which qualitative characteristics of financial information is described by this statement? Is verifiability. Right answer is C. Question number 8. A business applies the same depreciation policy to all of its computers. Which accounting principles does this treatment follows? It follows a comparability, which is a B for this question. Comparability. Number 9. Transactions are stated at the values at which they occurred and are not adjusted at the end of the year. Which accounting principles is described by this statement? Is a historical cost, which is B from our question. Now, most of the question here is B. The right answer is B. The last question from this topic. Which qualitative characteristics of financial information can be achieved through a combination of consistency and disclosure? Is a comparability, which is A from our question. H. Okay, let's go to other topic, which is primary financial statement. Primary financial statement. Let's go from question number 1. Which of the following asset may be classified as non-current asset in accounts of businesses? Non-current asset. Tax refund due next year, not. A motor vehicle held for sales, no. A computer in the office, yes. See. Next question. Next question. Which of the following items would be included in current asset? Assets which are not intended to be converted into cash. This is not where we will get one is not a correct answer. Asset which will be converted into cash in the long term, even if this is not an answer because it is wrong. When we deal with long term, we will go with non-current asset. But you are asked the current asset. Let's say if the study is okay. Asset will be converted into cash in the near future. Yes. Right answer is only 3, which is C. Next question. Question number 3. Which of the following statement describe current asset? Current asset. Asset which are currently located on the business premise. Not this statement is not specific. Asset which are used to conduct the organization's current businesses. Even in current asset can be used. Asset which are expected to be converted into cash in the short term. Yes. C is the right answer. Question 4. Payment trial balance include balances for insurance, trade payable, and trade receivable. Which of the following statement is correct? Insurance is current asset. Trade payable is an expenses. No. From here it is wrong because trade payable is a liability, not an expenses. Insurance is an expenses. Yes. Trade payable is a current liability. Yes. Trade receivable is a current asset. Yes. The right answer is B. Let me go from question 5. Question 5. Which of the following statement relating to the statement of profit or loss is false? It shows in details how the profit or loss of a period has been made. Now, it shows the value of sales less total expenses as net profit. No. It represents the financial positions at a point in time. Yes. Profit or loss shows the positions at a point in time, financial position. This is from our question. We were asked which of the following statement relating to the statement of profit or loss is false. All the 3, A, B, and D, are correct except C, because a financial statement for profit or loss is not represent for a financial position at that point in time. This is a statement of financial position, which is a balance sheet in other terms. Yeah, C is not correct. Question number 6. Which of the following statement relating to how a 5-year bank loan is shown in the statement of financial position is true? This is an current liability. Yeah, we're going to see where it is recorded in the financial position from the following statement. It should be shown as non-current as no. It should be shown as non-current liability. Non-current liability. It should be split into a current and non-current liability. It should be shown as current liability. The right answer is C, because these 5 years bank loan, we have to, there is an interest on loan. That interest on loan is a current liability, and a loan as principal is non-current liability. Yeah, it contains both current and non-current liability. Right answer is C. Question number 7. Items that appear in the financial records of a business include items that appear in the financial records of a business include employees' salary, cash held in the bank. Where should these items ultimately appear in the financial statement? Both items should appear in the statement of profit or loss. No. Items 1 is a statement of financial position. No. Salary is in the statement of financial performance. Both items should appear in the statement of financial. No. Items 1 in the statement of profit or loss. Yes. Items B in statement of financial position. Yes. The right answer is D. Let's go to the question 8. Question number 8. Which of the following statements correctly describe the content of the statement of financial position? Content. A list of ledger balances shown in details and credit column. No. A list of all the assets owned and all the liability owned by businesses. Yes. This is the correct answer. Question number 9. Question number 9. Which of the following correctly states the accounting equation? Asset plus liability is equal to capital. No. Asset plus capital is equal to liability. No. Capital plus liability is equal to asset. Yes. See. Last question from our topic, which is the question number 10. An asset at 30 November 2023, joint bank current accounting was an overdraft. He also had a bank loan on which monthly capital repayment were due to commence in February 2025. How should these balances be reported on his statement of financial position such November 2023? Here you have a bank current account and a bank loan. Non-current liability and the bank loan current liability. No. Bank loan is not a current liability. Here they reverse. Non-current liability and the current liability. No. Current asset, non-current liability. No. Current liability, non-current liability. Yes. But the answer is D. Let's go to the last topic of today, which is recording and summarizing financial transactions. Question number 1. When entering invoices in the purchase day book, Gloria recorded all invoices for 126,000 for motor expenses as 162. The day book has been posted correctly to the general ledger. What entry will correct the error? This is an error made where instead of recording 126, they record 162. Yeah. And to correct this error, we debit the difference of 162 and 126, which is 36. From payable, we will debit payable control and credit motor expenses, because we have to reduce this account of motor expenses and reduce the credit control, the payable control of this invoice. The correct answer is B. Question number 2. Which of the following is a false document? A sales day book? No. Debit note? Not. Trial balance? No. An invoice? Yes, an invoice is a source document. Question number 3. Question number 3 stated that which of the following statement about books of prime entry is true? A business can only have a maximum of 5. No. There are more than 5. A source document are recorded in the books of prime entry. Yes. Right answer is B. The fourth question. Which prime entry records is used to record return outward? Return outward is the same as purchase return. Sales return daybook? No. We record on purchase return daybook, which is D from our question. Question number 5. Good costing 5K have been purchased on credit and delivered to the business. On inspection, 25% of these goods are found to be fraud, and these are returned to the supplier. Which of the following journal entry correctly record this return? This return, yeah. First of all, we have to calculate 25% of 5K. 25% of 5K. 5K. 25% of 5K, 500 is 125. 125, we have to reduce purchase we made. Here we have to debit payables, because we have already make payables of purchase. We will debit, yeah, the right answer is B. We will debit payable of 125 and credit purchase of 125. Right answer is B. Question number 6. Helena buys good for her businesses with a list price of 450,000 for cash. She received a 10% discount, a 10% trade discount. Which of the following journal entry correctly record these transactions? Yeah, because for a cash discount, what we have to this business is Helena. He pays a cash discount. He pays a cash purchase. When we make a cash purchase and we give a discount, we pay after deducting a discount, which means these 450,000 are the payment after deducting a 10% off discount. Yeah. The right corrections is where we debit purchase and credit cash. For the first debit purchase and credit cash, debit purchase and credit cash of 450. No, you have to deduct 10 of 450, which is 45,000, and 45,000 we have to pay net, which is 450 minus 45, and we get 405,000, which is D. The right answer is D. Question number 7. Which of the following source document is summarized and posted to the general ledger? Sales return daybook? No. Purchase daybook? No. Cash received daybook? Yes. The right answer for question 7 is C. Question 9. No, question 8. Question 8. Which prime entry records is used to record direct debit to pay utility bills? Utility bills. Sales return daybook? Not. The journal? Not. The check issued book? Yes. We have to pay a direct debit. If it is a direct, we have our cash or bank should be directly affected. That's why C is the right answer. Question 9. Good costing 300,000 have been sold on credit to a customer. The customer has returned 10% of his good for a refund, and credit note has been issued for this good. Which of the following is journal entry correct recording this return? First of all, 10% of 300,000 is a 30, and to record this 30, which is a return, is we debit our revenue because we made a sales. You have to affect our revenue. We debit revenue and credit trade receivable. Yeah, A is the right answer. The last question from our last topic. Which of the following would be recorded in the purchase daybook? Purchase daybook is all items we purchase. Check paid to supplier, not. Purchase invoice, yes. All purchase invoices will be recorded in the purchase daybook. Thank you for watching. This is the end of the session of today. Hopefully, I guarantee you that I will do whatever I need, whatever I capable for, in order to make you happy, in order to make you aware with the MIFOTRA's questions on different positions like accounting, finance and administration, director, financial management specialist, and so on. Thank you. We will see you tomorrow.